Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a video of property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to guests.
Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
And payment policies.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For details about please read the description.
If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room,